Are you aware of a rapidly evolving area in veterinary science that could reshape our understanding of canine diabetes? It's crucial not to miss this. For years, we've focused on blood sugar, but inflammation is now a growing focus in research. Scientists are actively exploring how the immune system influences the disease's progression and how novel peptides could play a role in future discoveries. Join us as we translate this cutting-edge research into clear, actionable insights for understanding animal wellness. Many focus on glucose, but emerging research increasingly connects canine diabetes to underlying inflammatory processes. In some dogs, immune system activity and inflammation may contribute to pancreatic damage. This connection, similar to human type 1 diabetes, is an active area of veterinary investigation. Inflammation is a persistent immune response that doesn't fully switch off, stressing organs over time. This chronic response might explain recurring infections or fluctuating insulin needs observed in research. Understanding inflammation changes how scientists approach future research into therapies for diabetic dogs. While inflammation helps fight infection, problems arise when the immune system becomes overactive or misdirected. Chronic inflammation potentially affects pancreatic beta cell health and overall immune balance in studies. It also influences insulin sensitivity, liver function, and cholesterol metabolism in research models. Veterinary scientists are now exploring gentle regulation of immune signaling, not suppression, in their work. One key pathway receiving attention is CD40 signaling, a communication switch between immune cells. When activated, this pathway can increase inflammation and immune activity within research settings. Scientists identified TOF40 cells linked to autoimmune activity for their potential role in diabetes inflammation. These cells are under study for their influence on immune responses in animal models of diabetes. Targeting specific immune pathways offers a promising new direction for investigational research efforts. This precise modulation could lead to more nuanced support for immune balance in future research. The goal is to support the body's natural systems rather than an aggressive suppression strategy. We're delving deep into fascinating areas today, uncovering how immune processes might reshape our understanding of canine diabetes. This field is evolving rapidly, and staying informed is key for any dedicated pet parent or veterinary enthusiast. For more insights into cutting-edge peptide research and animal wellness discoveries, be sure to follow Peptides.today. You can also connect with me, Rory Finn, for updates on comparative medicine and novel therapies research. Researchers are exploring an investigational CD40 targeting peptide referred to as OPT501. It's currently studied in early research environments to understand immune modulation in animal models. Peptides are short amino acid chains acting as signaling molecules, offering precise immune modulation. Scientists believe their small size allows more targeted action compared to traditional immune therapies. Instead of shutting down immune systems, research explores calming excessive inflammatory signaling with these peptides. This approach aims to support immune balance, offering a new perspective on inflammatory responses. Early preclinical and pilot research explored how OPT501 influences immune markers relevant to canine diabetes. Preliminary observations reported decreased immune activity markers in controlled research environments. These early findings suggested potential associations with improved blood glucose regulation in studies. Researchers also observed reductions in inflammation markers and changes in cholesterol levels. Signals linked to beta cell preservation were also noted in early experimental investigations. These observations are early scientific signals, not confirmed clinical outcomes, requiring more study. One area of keen interest involves C-peptide, which estimates natural insulin production in research. Early research signals suggest immune modulation might help preserve beta cell function. This remains a scientific hypothesis, generating excitement in veterinary research communities for future studies. The idea of supporting natural insulin production is a significant focus for ongoing investigation. These possibilities are part of ongoing research, potentially leading to more stable glucose control discoveries. The journey into understanding canine diabetes inflammation is dynamic and full of promise. Investigational peptides represent a fascinating frontier in exploring targeted immune support for animal wellness. To stay informed on these vital developments, please follow Peptides.today and connect with me, Rory Finn. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.